Adam? Wake up! It's morning!
What time is it?
It's already morning. We have a busy day.
I know, but I am still sleepy.
Come on, please wake up now.
Okay. I am waking up.
Thank you. Let's wake the kids. Good morning, kids. Wake up.
Mom? Is it morning? Are we going on the trip today?
Yes, we are going to Switzerland.
Wow! I am so excited! Hi! Yeah!
I love Switzerland. Get ready quickly.
Morning! Today is a big day. We are going on a trip.
Yes, it is a big day. We need to be ready early. Please be quick.
The water is cold, but I feel good. I am awake now. My hair looks nice. I feel fresh. I am ready.
Very good. Everyone is ready. Let's go now.
I am dressed now. I feel comfortable. I am ready to go.
My shoes fit well. I like my shoes.
I am ready.
My bag is ready. My clothes are ready. I am excited for the trip.
My jacket is warm. I like this color. I am ready too.
Everyone looks ready. We are on time. Let's leave the house.
Everyone is here. Let's get in the car. It is time to go.
Yes, we are ready. The bags are inside. We can leave now.
I am excited. I like trips. I want to go now. I am happy. This is fun. Let's go.
Sit properly. Wear your seatbelts. We are going now.
The road is clear. The drive is smooth. We will reach soon.
The weather is nice. It feels good today. I am relaxed.
I see buildings. I see cars. We are moving fast.
What?
I see the sky.
It is blue. It looks very nice.
We are at the airport. It is very busy here. Let's go inside.
Hold your bags. Stay close to me. Follow me.
This airport is big. I see many people. I like this place. I see planes. They look huge. I am excited.
We are waiting now. Our flight is soon. Please sit calmly.
Stay close to me. Do not run. Wait here.
I see planes. I hear sounds. I like the airport.
I am sitting. I am waiting. I feel happy.
We are waiting here. Our flight is soon. Please sit calmly.
We are all seated now. The plane looks nice. I am ready to fly.
Please sit straight. Keep your seatbelt on. We will fly soon.
I can see the wing. I can see the sky. It is amazing. I feel excited. The plane is big. I like flying. The clouds look so soft. It is amazing from up here. I love flying with you all.
Wow, look at these mountains. The green is everywhere, so beautiful. I have never seen anything like this.
The nature here is amazing. The hills and trees are so green. I feel so happy to be here. The mountains are huge. The trees are everywhere. The place looks so peaceful.
The flowers are so colorful. The grass is so green. I love this place.
This food smells amazing. I am very hungry. It looks so delicious, I can't wait to eat.
The food is very fresh. I love the flavors here. Everyone, enjoy your meal and eat well.
This tastes so good. I like this dish a lot. I love this dessert. The colors are so nice. I am very excited to try everything.
This lake is so calm. The water looks so clear. I am enjoying this ride with all of you.
The boat is moving smoothly. I feel so relaxed here. This is a wonderful experience.
The water is so blue. I see small fishes swimming. This is amazing. I love the boat ride. The water sparkles so nicely. I am very happy to be here.
This trip was amazing. Switzerland is so beautiful. We will never forget this place.
The nature here is wonderful. This journey was so special. We are very happy we came.
Everything here is perfect. I am so glad we visited Switzerland. This will be a memory forever.
If you liked our video, please click the like button. And don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe to our channel. Join us for more adventures. Thank you for watching.